Hello guys, in this video we're going to be showing you how to convert PNG to vector in Photoshop. So here we have a picture. What we're going to do is to go over to the right sidebar where we have the icon here. So we're going to click on Control and click on it. As you can see the effect here, that means that we've selected the image. And then we're going to go to the left corner and we're going to look for the rectangle tool. As you can see, we're going to select it. And when these options come out, you want to select the rectangular marquee tool. Then we're going to go over to the picture. We're going to right click on the picture and select Make Work Path. This dialog box will come out and we're going to leave the tolerance at 1. So we're going to press OK. And now it's selected the main image in the picture, which is the logo. Now on the left sidebar, we're going to look for Direct Selection tool. In order to do that, we're going to come over here. When we find the arrow, we're going to click and hold on it. And then it's going to bring out two options. We're going to select the second one, which is Direct Selection tool. Now when that happens, we're going to go over to the logo and right click on it and select Create Vector Mask. Then we're going to press Enter. Now after doing that, your PNG will convert to vector. So this is how to convert PNG to vector in Photoshop.